And another interesting, Dravagana topic that you just raised of Samana Pratyarabdha and Vichitra Pratyarabdha. You talked about Guduchi being Vichitra Pratyarabdha Dravya, and Shatavari now we have the example of Samanya Pratyarabdha. Can you please explain this unique concept of Ayurveda, especially because we have students from outside India as well?
See, we need to understand that what is Samana Pratyarabdha and what is Vichitra Pratyarabdha. There is a sequencing pattern. So first we try to understand what is the rasa of the dravya. If the rasa of the dravya is, for example, Madhur rasa, then it is intended or it is expected, if it is to be fit into the category of Samana Pratyarabdha, then it should possess those qualities which are in favor of those rasas. So Madhur rasa is produced out of the predominancy of Prithvi and Ap Mahabhuta. So anything, qualities which is from the Prithvi and Ap Mahabhuta ought to be there, like Guru and Snigdha. So Guru and Snigdha qualities should be there in that drug. So drug having a Madhur rasa is expected to be having Guru Snigdha guna. Since such a dravya having such qualities should also possess a virya or a potency which should be in favor of these two gunas. So that's why it should be having Shita guna, Shita virya. So when a drug is Madhura rasa, Guru Snigdha guna, Shita virya, and definitely it should have end up in Madhura vipaka. So a drug typically goes in this fashion. We know that how a vipaka takes place. Madhur rasa, Lavana rasa end up in all those drugs with these rasas will end up in Madhura vipaka, and all those drugs with Amla rasa will end up in Amla vipaka, and the remaining three Katutikta Kashaya dravyas end up in Katu vipaka. So such type of combination is expected, and that is the basic line. So based on that, if a drug behaves in this fashion, it's a Madhur rasa, Guru Snigdha guna, Shita virya, and Madhura vipaka, and definitely performs this Shukravardhana, Stanyavardhana, Balya, Rasayana, Vajikara, and these are the action expected out of these drugs. So when these typical things are there, then we can explain these karmas, how it is taken place based on these Rasapanchakas. And all these are in a similar manner that it runs in one direction. So it is such a type of drug is known as Samana Pratyarabdha Dravya. Means Samana Pratyarabdha. It tries to initiate typically something which is similar to it itself. So that is the thing what we need to understand. Then comes the Vichitra Pratyarabdha. When a drug of Madhur rasa should expect that it should be having Guru and Snigdha guna. Instead of Guru and Snigdha guna, it has a Lagu guna. And such a drug is supposed to be Madhura vipaka, but it turns into a Tikta vipaka, Katu vipaka. Then accordingly, the drug has to be in Shita virya, but it becomes a Ushna virya. So such combinations of altered productions, we cannot even explain why that particular drug has been having that particular type of thing which doesn't support from its Rasapanchaka. So such type of altered combinations are also present in the nature. By the nature itself of the drug, we find such things, and they are very potent in treatment, and they have very versatile and very wide scope of actions, and they work on many areas. So that is the basic thing. If all the Rasapanchakas fall in one line or one category, then we call it as it is Samana Pratyarabdha Dravya. If they are contrast to each other by basic nature, then it is called as Vichitra Pratyarabdha. Particularly for even Guduchi, Haritaki, Pippali, all these are Vichitra Pratyarabdha Dravyas.